Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, even if you're a total beginner. Thumbnails are the first thing people see on YouTube, and a good one can seriously boost your views. So let's jump right into it. First, head to Canva and click Create a Design. Choose Custom Size and enter 1280 by 720 pixels. This is the perfect size for YouTube thumbnails. Canva gives you a bunch of ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates. Scroll through or search something like gaming, beauty, or vlog to find one that matches your video style. Click on one to start editing. Now let's customize the text. Click on any text box to type your own title. Make sure to keep it short, bold, and easy to read, especially on mobile. Use big fonts, bright colors, and high contrast. If you want to add a photo of yourself or a product, click on the Uploads tab. Drag in your photo, then place it where you want. If you're using Canva Pro, you can click Edit Photo and choose Background Remover to cut out your image instantly. This is perfect for that clean, pro thumbnail look. Want to make it pop even more? Use Canva's elements to add arrows, stickers, glow outlines, or colored shapes behind your text. This helps direct the viewer's attention exactly where you want it. Once you're done, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for the best quality. Now your thumbnail is ready to upload with your video. And that's how you make an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail with Canva. If you found this helpful, drop a like, comment below with your channel link, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!